It's a 2016 Toyota Sequoia. Extremely comfortable with amazing towing capacity, it's ready for the long drive and the long haul. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. I-Force engine, dual zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, power tilting steering column, memory exterior door mirror settings, entertainment system with Blu-ray, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, memory steering wheel settings, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The editors at Edmunds.com explain that the Sequoia stands tall among the current crop of full-size SUV offerings. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.